Naglabas na yung House of Representatives ng updated red carpet guidelines para sa SONA ng Pangulo sa Monday, July 28. This is after Speaker Martin Romualdez called for a scaled-down SONA para maging sensitive doon sa mga nasalanta ng sunod-sunod na bagyo. As per the House Secretary General, may makita pa ring red carpet sa Kamara sa Lunes, pero supposedly for official protocol lang yon. Wala na raw stage ceremonies, photo setup at fashion coverage. Pero pwede naman daw magpa-unlock ang mga bisita ng interviews with the media. It's unclear how exactly they're going to tone it down given na yung buong stretch ng North Wing lobby, punong-puno ng accredited media yan. May reporters, cameramen, photographers. So, optics-wise, it's interesting to see paano mababawasan yung display of glamour when the symbol of glamour itself, yung red carpet, ay nandoon pa rin naman. Formal attire pa rin ang dress code. House members are encouraged to wear Filipiniana or barong, pero ang pakiusap ay huwag magsuot ng magarbo. Question siguro kung paano may iwasan yung fashion coverage at fanfare kung encourage lamang ang mga bisita to dress simply at hindi naman ito requirement. For more stories, visit the Rappler website.